Jatinga woman crusader gets state recognition. Decades of working silently for the empowerment of women in Jatinga and other villages of Dima Hasao district, 73-year-old Evelinti Sajam, a noted social worker, has been finally recognized by the government of Assam with the Maiden Sati Radhika Award. Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal was supposed to give away the prestigious award to Sajam in Rabindra Bhavan, Guwahati on Wednesday, but due to sad demise of President, the ceremony is postponed for the time being. The award carries Rs 2 lakhs in cash and a trophy. Born in 1947, Sajam's story of how hard work, determination and perseverance can take women even of remote tribal areas in a hill district to any height. Having attended school and college by walking barefoot 12 km up and 12 km down every day between Jatinga and Haflong, Sajam, who belongs to the Jaintia community, became a graduate in 1967. Same year, she along with classmates Indira Thausen, Ratna Datta and Bharti Burman joined as a founder assistant teacher in the newly established Haflong Girls High School. Later upgraded to a higher secondary school, Sajam went to retire as its principal in 2006. Evelinti Sajam, talking to this correspondent, said she was surprised and very happy as she is being awarded with such a prestigious award. She wanted to give all the credits to her parents and all the well-wishers.
I was really surprised not to hear that I am selected in the committee for the award. I don't know who is the channel, but I am grateful to them also because I am so happy. If that award is there, then it is not only my credit, the credit of some people, and especially what I am now is the credit to my parents, to my community, to my people in NC Hill, because I know many students who were my past students and their guardian, so they also support me for this also. So may God bless them. For going to Guwahati today, I have already arranged my packing and all, but suddenly for the sad demise of the ex-president, I have to stop and wait. First time, of course, from my local committee, I have got many prizes and all, but the award from school during my service life, before my retirement, I got a distinguished teacher certificate, and then next is the one I got in Jorhat for Samaj Pran Social Award.
And now?
And yes, and now yes. So I am happy for that. I cannot do anything which I do not expect at all. I am working not for any reward, but when I got this, I was surprised and happy. And all my people also were happy along with me.
Purabi Phonglo, District Information and Public Relation Officer, terming it as a great achievement for Sajam Madam for her selfless services to society and particularly towards women empowerment.
Big congratulations to Madam Sajam for being the recipient of the first Sati Radhika Award, and it is indeed a pride for the entire Dima Hasao, entire people of Dima Hasao, as we all know that she's the first tribal women of our district to have graduated from this district. And in today's age, modern education, it is what contribution you give towards the society, and there is this perfect example, Madam Sajam, who does justice of what education she has received entire her life, and she has proven to be an inspiration for so many, not only for the women of this district but for the entire people of Assam. Feel तो ऐसा फील तो अच्छा ही लगता है कि there are hundreds of things that you have to come across in order to receive that, to reach to that goal. हम लोग को, क्योंकि
लड़कों का साथ में कदम
लड़कों के साथ कंपेयर करने से अगर लड़कों को 10 हर्डल अगर क्रॉस करना पड़ता है तो हम लोग फॉर वीमेन वी हैव एन एडेड 5 more hurdles added up। लड़कों को अगर 10 हर्डल होता है तो हम लोगों का 15 हर्डल होता है, लेकिन इवेंचुअली द हैप्पीनेस एंड द सेटिस्फैक्शन प्रोबेबली इज़ द सेम एज व्हाट मेल पीपल फील, एंड हम लोग का भी वही फीलिंग है, वही है।
आगे भी ऐसा हमको ऐसे मिलते रहेगा तो इंस्पायर होगा।
हाँ, इंस्पायर होगा। और यहाँ पे आजकल तो जेंडर इक्वालिटी के बारे में हर कोई बोलता है, तो हम लोग ही अगर बोलना शुरू कर दे कि हम लोग वीमेन होके ऐसा अचीव किया, वो सब बोलने के लिए आई थिंक वी हैव क्रॉस्ड ऑल दोस लेवल नाउ।
थैंक यू।
ठीक।